Hey everybody, it's Davey with USA Roofing and Gutters, and I'm here with Mr. and Miss Sizemore. These guys were nominated for our free roof giveaway about a month ago, and as you can see, we finished their beautiful roof. They were nominated and we selected them for the roof replacement. So Mr. and Mrs. Sizemore, what did you think about your experience with us?
It was great. I mean, more than we expected.
Wow.
Everybody was so nice and courteous and worked really well. I mean, and you allowed us to choose our roof color, and it's perfect, and we're very happy.
That's
very,
awesome.
very happy.
We really appreciate it. You guys have been a pleasure to work with. It's been awesome meeting you guys and getting to hang out with you in the time that we were getting together and talking about the color, and then throughout the roofing process, everybody said y'all were extremely great, and it was a wonderful time working with you guys and getting the roof put on.
They did a wonderful job of cleaning up.
A wonderful job cleaning
yes.
up.
Oh, yes.
Awesome.
Oh,
We
yes.
appreciate that. It's really important to us to leave it better than the way we found it, you know.
Mhm.
So, yeah.